Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use Protonmail. So for that you have to go to proton.me, and Proton is a company that offers that actually secure your privacy, that works for keep your privacy and security most safer. And here is one of the product from Proton is Protonmail. So you just need to create a free account on Protonmail by simply click on this create a free account. Then you have to sign up for an account if you don't have one. Now here you can see for individuals here or for business here. So for individuals there is a free version here, free plan available that you can use, or otherwise you can go with this paid version here. So you can get it in this section. So I hope you will read it carefully whenever you are going to make a decision. So here I'm going to choose the plan here. Now create your Proton account. First you have to add your username. So I'm going to add my username like I have just added a username with this @proton.me, or you can change it protonmail.com. So you can go with anyone, anything if you want. So I'm going to with this proton.me. Then here's the password you have to save. So I'm going to save the password. So I have added a password here. Now you have to confirm the password again. That as same, make it same to same like. Now click on start using Protonmail now. So you have to simply click on it, or you can it will also give you some offers here. You can simply click on no thanks if you don't want to get offer right now. So I'm going to click on no thanks here. So you have to go through a human verification with this captcha. Now you have to complete the captcha. I'm going to okay, and captcha completed here. And in email section you have to go through the email. So here you can see it has just completing, and it is just creating my account here. So it has automatically verified my email. So here is the display name. You can change it from here if you want. So like I'm going to change it from here. Now continue here. So here you have to add your phone number, then the email address here. So I'm going to add my phone number here. Here you can see I have just added my phone number and email address, and I have saved that details, and it is just loading the Protonmail. So it will integrate with your Gmail here. Now let's get started here. So okay, download. You can download the desktop app. It's right now available. So or you can go with the maybe later. It also offers some mobile app if you want. So here is some preferences. So you can get this template like this, dark mode like this or this. I like it pretty much this was cool here. So I have just set it here. So from here you can find your inbox. So if you just click on that, then it will just reload that inbox from here, and you can find all of your inbox from here. So here you can see that privacy for all your online accounts. So you can set up privacy for your finance accounts here, social media accounts here, and the shopping accounts here. So if you want. So now from here you can simply click on the draft, where you can find all of your draft mail that you have added. Now here is the sent mails that you have sent to other recipients, and here is the start, where you can find all of your favorite mails if you have added. Now here's archive or spam section, where you can find all the spam mail here. Here's the trash, where you can find all of your deleted messages has just listed in this section. And all mail will help you to get all of the mail in one window. So you can also create a folder if you want to specify some mail, or if you can also recognize a mail by creating a new label here. So here you can see you will get free 500 MB space for your mails here, or you can simply click on it and you can find the Protonmail, Proton Calendar, Drive, VPN, Pass, and Wallet. So you can go with the new message. You can simply click on new message to create a new message from here. So here you can see from, that's mean you, and here you can set the to, that's mean the recipient. You can add the recipient mail here. Then the subject, you can add the subject, and you can add the mail anything you want. So then here you can choose the text font style, font size, the color. You can make it bold or italic, or you can add underline from here. You can add the dot bulleted list or the number list here. You can set the alignment, you can add emojis, you can add quote, and you can also insert some link also. So like this, you can also simply click on delete button here. So delete, it will delete that message and it will add it in the trash icon. Now if you don't send it and just close it here, so it will add it to the draft section. Now if you send it perfectly and it has just sent to that person, so it will be listed in the same section. So that's how you can just use the Protonmail as a beginner. So here is your profile icon here, so where you can add another account here if you want, so also you can sign up out from your account. And here is the settings where you can add where you can find all settings. In all settings you can let me show you. You have to wait until it opens all settings from here. You can find the dashboard, different types of settings from here, and email privacy. You can get different types of application if you want. So from here you can just do it. And that's pretty much all thing about Protonmail and how you can use Protonmail as a beginner. So you will get a temporary or a specific mail that you can use to send emails. So if you got this, if so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.